Oo, nakabalik na ako.
Oh,
Mayroon akong nakitang update kay sister mo.
ano daw yun?
I know may result na, shucks. I have to actually open it with you kasi ayaw kong i-take yung mag-isa eh. Oh my God. I know, hold on, let me read. Okay. Kumusta naman pala si sister?
Okay lang.
Parang ayaw mo magsalita. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me read. Oh my gosh. Your application to stay in Canada as a TRP has been approved.
I know. Sisi.
It's approved.
Thank you so much.
From tourist visa to housekeeper. Actually tourist visa extension to LMIA housekeeper.
Oh my God.
So na-change natin yung work permit and this is your own sister. Can you imagine?
Yes.
Thank you so much sa patience. Thank you so much
Thank
sa
you
tiwala.
so much.
Honestly,
This
I'm
is
really happy. Actually, every time I see something ganito ang ginagawa ko, I don't wanna own yung mag-isa yung alam mo yung excitement.
I know.
Or yung
nagugutom.
Actually, hindi pa ako kumain. But anyway, congratulations. What can you say? What can you say? You're on video.
Thank you. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Unbelievable. With all your help. Well, I put my trust on you next to God.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yep.
And of course, and thank you so much talaga.
Yeah.
Full effort kasi.
Yeah. Full effort, hindi lang yun. Wala akong tinago. It's everything I don't sugarcoat.
The wait is over and it's amazing.
She is now a work permit holder and you know what to do next time. But the main thing is that naging work permit holder siya. Amazing. Yung mga restriction na overrule niya lahat because of the work permit.
True.
So congratulations. I will send you the result and definitely yung work permit will come to my address as a representative. Then I will forward you yung
I'm gonna call her soon.
Yes, okay. Congratulations.
Celebrate. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye.
That's real good news. Thanks.
Yeah,
bye-bye.
Good news talaga.
Bye.
Bye-bye. So that is actually a tourist visa holder came to Canada as a tourist, tapos inisponsoran siya ng sister niya as her housekeeper. And imagine right now keep on maintaining the status while waiting for it. Now na-approvean yung kanyang work permit from tourist visa to work permit. And ito pa, she did not have an English exam, she did not have a WES or yung assessment sa educational background kasi nga the rule is if you are under LMIA and then low wage category yung offer or job, you don't need English exam, you don't need a LMIA. You don't need English exam, you don't need WES. And of course, we applied online. We waited for almost 4 months, actually 4 months, almost 4 months. We waited for that. And now the wait is completely over. But again, I always say to everyone, I don't sugarcoat my job as a professional immigration law practitioner. I do my part and at the same time, hindi po ako nag-i-issue ng approval or visa, but it is the immigration officer. So congratulations ulit, Jojin. I'm sure magiging masaya ang buong family. You were able to help your sibling and nakakuha siya ng work permit. So congrats again and it's a good day. God bless.